You've heard me preach on the need to perform a vehicle inspection on every car that comes to your shop. Have you considered adding a full system scan to that inspection checklist? Perhaps you should. Learn why in today's Mighty Minute. No matter what concern brought the vehicle into your shop in the first place, it's up to us to make sure that we inspect that vehicle for any other service needs that the customer should be aware of. And there's one more item you may want to add to that checklist. It's a scan of all the computers on the vehicle before you perform any type of repair or service, otherwise known as a pre-scan. Performing the pre-scan requires either an aftermarket scan tool with enhanced, that is OEM specific, software, or the factory scan tool, which are becoming easier every day to access. The pre-scan checks the status of every computer on the vehicle for any recorded diagnostic trouble codes that may or may not have triggered a driver alert, like turning on the check engine light. Now, I'm not advocating that you give away your diagnostic time. What I am advocating is that you perform a pre-scan for your customers for some very important reasons. The first is the ability to advise them of any problems that you may uncover in the various computer-operated systems on their vehicle so that they can make an informed repair decision. Ever hear of a customer named Everett Cynthia? He's another reason for performing a system pre-scan. It helps to avoid unnecessary comebacks caused by a system fault that appears shortly after the customer leaves your shop. Yet a third reason is the addition of service repair dollars these needs can generate. Print out the results of the scan and keep it with the work order. Share it with the customer and point out areas that require their attention. Cousin to the pre-scan is the post-scan. This is the after repair scan of all the computers in the vehicle to show that the repairs were successful. For example, if you're dealing with a check engine light concern, there are other systems that the ECM won't test until that problem has been corrected. If you don't see that pending problem coming, your customer just might, and it's better if you know about it before they do. As with the pre-scan, share the post-scan results with your customer and keep a copy with the work order. Performing a pre and post scan only requires a small amount of time, but can yield substantial benefits. First, in terms of added service revenue to your bottom line and increased customer confidence in your shop. Thanks for watching.